Welcome to Global Vibe, a channel of smart living journal. In our increasingly digital lives, staying safe online is more important than ever. With millions of cyber attacks happening every year, protecting your personal information is crucial, even if you're not tech-savvy. The digital landscape is full of risks, from phishing scams to malware. Understanding these threats is the first step to defending yourself. Key takeaways include implementing strong password management, being cautious with emails, keeping software up to date, and using two-factor authentication. Let's talk about some common digital threats you might face daily. Phishing scams try to trick you into sharing sensitive information. Malware can damage your devices, while ransomware can lock you out of your data until you pay a fee. Awareness is the key to avoiding these pitfalls. Creating strong, unique passwords for each account is a simple yet effective strategy. Think of your password as the lock on your door. The stronger the lock, the better protected you are. Consider using a password manager to generate and remember complex passwords easily. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. It requires a second form of identification, such as a text code, to access your accounts. This makes it much harder for hackers to invade your space. Updating your software regularly is another quick win. Software updates contain vital security patches. By keeping your devices current, you minimize your vulnerability to attacks. Be conscious of what you share online. The digital world can feel permanent. Once something is posted, it may never truly disappear. Think twice before you share personal information. Learning to identify phishing attempts can further protect you. Look out for emails with poor grammar, urgent calls to action, and unfamiliar sender addresses. If something feels off, trust your instincts and verify before acting. A strong Wi-Fi password protects your home network. Change your router settings and use WPA3 encryption if available. Also, consider setting up guest networks to give visitors online access without compromising your personal information. Using non-technical simple habits can dramatically improve your digital safety daily. Always double-check the authenticity of emails. Stay informed about potential online risks and adapt your behavior accordingly. Remember, everyone can take steps to enhance their online security. By adopting these best practices, you can feel more confident navigating the digital landscape safely. Stay safe online and encourage family members to do the same. For more tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates. Thanks for watching the video. To learn more, visit smartlivingjournal.com.